This video is further to the topic I was discussing in the morning about soul retrieval and how to find the fragments of the soul and the true soul essence, which is part of our soul retrieval journey. What is a soul part or a soul fragment? A soul part is actually a blueprint of the soul to serve its purpose on this lifetime. It is even called as a fingerprint of God. If you see the infinite universe within, so if you are not able to identify the soul, true soul essence by assimilating the soul parts from our current lifetime, we will not be able to pursue a journey that is satisfactory and fulfilling to our lives. Now, identifying the soul part is something that is a continuous process. Right from childhood, you start finding about yourself, and quite a lot of us are not able to pursue what you really want in life because of the programming of the society and the belief systems and ancestral patterns. Now, if you see the conscious mind and subconscious mind, only 10% of is what is being driven by the conscious mind, whereas the rest of the 90% is being actually driven by the subconscious mind. That is why soul fragments are identified from the subconscious mind more than the conscious mind. Conscious mind will only work on a specific pattern, like say if you have a job, you go to office and come back, or if you have something to study, you serve that. But identifying your true soul essence will help you uncover your hidden gifts and talents or your innate abilities to write something or play an instrument or even helping others by doing something in a flow. Like say there are people who are empaths who simply help others because they find satisfaction in their lives. Those are the things which will become helpful if you do the soul retrieval journey. And the reason why empaths or people who want to help others, they simply focus on helping others in a flow, and just because they get wish fulfillment in their lives. Those are the things you can access only if you are opening up to your intuition and connect to the infinite source within and do the soul retrieval properly. We are helping people do the soul retrieval journey remotely, as well as personal counseling sessions over telephone. Both are possible now due to the lockdown. We offer soul retrieval services also as part of our relationship coaching services. Now, as I said earlier, there are three types of trauma that is caused because of the soul loss, which are mental and emotional trauma, physical trauma, as well as spiritual trauma. Now, once you address these issues, with the help of stones, we can achieve healing for emotional trauma as well as mental and physical traumas also, spiritual trauma also. Once we achieve this, we'll go for soul retrieval services by the help of our relationship coaching classes. Now, I'll come to the point of explaining about certain relationships, why they fail in life continuously over and over again. Like there are people who continue to attract the same partner even after forgiving their ex-partner, just because they have not gone deep enough to understand what is the pain body in their e- 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 uh, in their astral body. So to address that, we need to uncover a lot of issues like certain soul parts become fragmented due to inner child issues coming from familial patterns or subconscious programming. Subconscious programming could happen due to the programming we see watch in TV, or what is imposed by the society and belief systems, or by parents and by elders. Now, to resolve those issues, we actually need to go back to the inner child of us, to the point where we actually felt, haste or anger or feeling bad about someone or something when you were a child, and go back to that uh, past life of yours and heal that trauma completely, and then come to a stage of awareness of what your gifts and talents are. Those things will remain the causal body due to past life karma. We can do causal tune up of those with the help of stones like leopard skin jasper, and we can do past life regression or childhood regression services for clearing those negative patterns due to subconscious belief systems and past life issues or trauma, which are you know uh, present in the cellular body right from childhood itself. Once we do past life regression or childhood regression, we can heal the causal body completely and remove the energetic footprint from the causal body. It could be even of astral origin also, like it could be past life trauma related to the one I've said in the morning, like the example of a person who was having severe poverty in his life due to his past life issue of living in a place where famines were occurring continuously. Those things can be completely healed and perfected from the astral body if you do the causal tune up using our stones, using leopard skin jasper. And there is another stone called blue kyanite, which is used similarly for resolving past life karma. Once we do this past life regression and childhood regression, we change the subconscious belief systems and ancestral patterns to follow, to always be in the now and think about doing something which your intuition tells you to do, as we also help you in finding your gifts and talents in the current lifetime. That is what is basically soul retrieval is about, because we assimilate the soul fragments of our past lives and do a proper fitment of the spirit to what it is supposed to serve in this lifetime. So there is one example which I would like to talk about. about my one of my friends. He is working in a newspaper selling sales department basically, but his real talent was to do mimicry. In fact, that was a gift from his past, but uh, he started using his gifts of mimicry to help others. Doing mimicry was not his gift actually, but helping others was his gift, which we found out. And he started uploading videos in YouTube for English speaking courses. Using his talent of mimicry, he was able to catch a certain audience. So that is how we move forward on a progressive path, by understanding what our true gifts and life purpose in this lifetime is, which is basically the finding and assimilation of soul parts and the true soul essence. And this is basically what we do as soul retrieval services. We do offer soul retrieval services and relationship coaching services for people who have failed relationships in the past, even if they are going for another relationship, they are attracting the same partner again and again with a different body. So those things we address basically with the help of eliminating the causal patterning and subconscious programming and inner child issues, which is required for correctly assimilating the soul parts and finding the true soul essence, which will help us understand the soul purpose in our lives and move in a progressive path instead of getting stuck in past life belief systems and ancestral patterns, or the subconscious programming by done by the TV channels or the society. Subconscious programming is an excellent area where people can actually change their subconscious labels, the past life labels, and completely clean the subconscious to start doing something which they really want in life and pursue their goals daily in their daily lives. You attain a certain stage in life where you will find balance with everything and everyone around you, and if you just clear your subconscious labels and bad programming from the past. That is some service which we offer, as we can pick up your subconscious labels and help you clear all the subconscious labels and start a life as if it is a rebirth, and catch up with your real passion and true purpose. We offer soul retrieval services, relationship coaching, Akashic records reading, uh, three of these services are done remotely. You can go through the description box of our video to understand more about our services, and please add and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.